Most home renovations uncover outdated wiring and, I don't know, maybe a few dead spiders. But sometimes they reveal an underground city, a forgotten swimming pool, or a multi-million-dollar painting. Houses keep secrets. And today, we're looking at the wildest things people actually found hidden inside their walls. I'm Mike with List 25, and these are 25 strange things found in people's houses. 25. 50,000 hidden bees. A North Carolina family thought their toddler was just making up stories about monsters buzzing in her bedroom closet. When the weird insect activity near the attic vents got too obvious to ignore, they finally called a professional. A beekeeper scanned the wall with a thermal camera and found a massive honeybee colony living directly behind the drywall. They pulled out 50,000 live bees and 100 pounds of fresh honeycomb. The hive had already done about 20 grand in damage, with dark honey seeping right through the plaster. Turns out, the kid was completely right about the monsters. 24. Fake Norman Rockwell painting. When cartoonist Donald Tracty Sr. passed away, his sons were going through his estate and noticed something off about his treasured copy of Norman Rockwell's Breaking Home Ties. A small stylistic detail just didn't match the original. They searched his Vermont studio and found a false wall hiding the real Rockwell, along with 7 other genuine paintings. Tracty had secretly painted high-quality fakes back in the 70s, hung those up, and quietly stashed the multi-million-dollar originals behind a wall. The real painting eventually sold at auction for $15.4 million. 23. 1940s World War II time capsule. A homeowner in Scotland was renovating her top-floor apartment when she pried up the floorboards and found a perfectly preserved 1940s time capsule. It had a vintage fire extinguisher from 1942, an empty tin of chicken, and bottles of local stout. But the best part was a set of pristine 1944 newspapers printed right after D-Day. The headlines tracked Allied forces advancing across Europe in real time. It's a completely unfiltered look at how an ordinary Scottish household experienced the biggest military operation of the 20th century. 22. Lost Victorian kitchen. Homeowners Archie and Philippa Graham Palmer were clearing debris from the basement of their ancestral estate in Wales when they found something untouched for generations. Hidden behind decades of junk was a fully intact 19th century Victorian kitchen. The place was covered in dust, but perfectly preserved. They found historic double baking ranges built into the brick, copper cooking utensils, period pottery, and a cookbook from 1912. Nobody had stripped it for parts or cleared it out. It just got sealed off while the modern world kept turning right above it. 21. 19th century skull. Someone renovating a bedroom in Illinois back in 1978 found a human skull sealed inside the wall. That kicked off a 40-year unsolved mystery until modern forensic DNA technology finally identified her as Esther Granger. She died in Indiana in 1866 and was properly buried. Authorities think grave robbers dug her up to sell her remains for illegal medical study, which was a pretty common and grim practice in the 1800s. With her identity finally confirmed, she was properly reinterred, closing a case that sat inside a bedroom wall for a century. 20. Cold War fallout shelter. A California family bought a mid-century home and noticed a weird concrete structure under their backyard lawn. They started digging and found the sealed entrance to an intact 1961 Cold War bomb shelter. Going inside was like stepping into a time machine. It was fully stocked with vintage canned goods, survival crackers, medical supplies, and original sanitation kits. The metal air intake pipes even still worked. Someone had built a complete survival bunker, and it just sat underground for 60 years waiting for someone else to find it. 19. 500-year-old medieval well. A guy in Plymouth, England lived with a slight dip in his living room for 20 years. When he finally retired and pulled up the floor joists to fix it, he found a 33-foot deep medieval well right under where his couch used to sit. He spent ages pulling out decades of stone rubble with just a bucket and a rope. Records suggest the well dates back to the 16th century. He even found a centuries-old sword and a coin from 1725 in the muck. Instead of covering it back up, he installed a glass viewing panel and made it a permanent living room feature. 18. $175,000 Superman comic. Construction worker David Gonzalez bought a foreclosed house in Minnesota, hoping to fix it up and flip it. While tearing down some old sheetrock, he found newspapers from the 1930s being used as wall insulation. Tucked inside was a copy of Action Comics #1 from 1938, which features the very first appearance of Superman. Only about 100 copies of this issue exist today. The comic actually got a small tear on the back cover during a family argument over its value, but even with the damage, it sold at auction for over $175,000. 17. A 132-year-old message. Engineers working on a historic coastal property in Scotland found a sealed glass bottle deep in a wall cavity under the floorboards. Inside was a handwritten note dated 1892, left by the crew who installed the building's original glass fixtures. The note listed their names, described their daily routine, and explained why they wanted to leave a message for the future. The current engineering team read it, added their own note to the bottle, and put it right back in the wall to keep the chain going for the next century. 16. 6,000 brown recluses. A family in Missouri thought they bought their dream home, until exterminators investigating a minor leak found an estimated 6,000 venomous brown recluse spiders living in the walls. They were bleeding out of the light fixtures and nesting behind window blinds. The infestation was so massive, the family had to completely abandon the property and sue the previous owners. The entire house had to be covered in a giant plastic tent and heavily fumigated just to kill the colony. What's the one bug or pest that would make you instantly abandon your house? Drop it in the comments below. 15. 1920s bootleg liquor stash. Nick Drummond and Patrick Baker expected to find old insulation while renovating their historic home in New York. Instead, they pulled off some exterior wooden trim and found dozens of carefully wrapped packages hidden in the walls and floorboards. It was over 60 pristine bottles of Gaelic Old Smuggler whiskey from the 1920s Prohibition era. The original owner was a notorious local bootlegger who used his own house to hide his stash from law enforcement. He never came back for it, so a century later, two guys doing a renovation found it instead. 14. 4-billion-year-old meteorite. Joshua Hutagalung was making a coffin outside his house in Indonesia when a deafening roar came from the sky. A space rock crashed through his tin roof and buried itself 6 inches into the dirt under his floorboards. It was still warm when he dug it out. It turned out to be a super rare carbonaceous chondrite meteorite that was 4.56 billion years old. That makes it older than Earth itself. An American collector bought the rock, making the guy who was just standing in his yard instantly wealthy. 13. Dozens of mummified chickens. A Pennsylvania family renovating their 1930s home found their wall framing packed with dozens of dried out, mummified dead chickens. They were deliberately arranged next to spices, old clothing, and other random items. Experts link this to powwowing, a Pennsylvania Dutch folk magic tradition used to ward off illness and evil spirits. It was a completely intentional ritual setup hiding inside the drywall for nearly a century before the new owners realized they were sharing their house with a flock of dead poultry. 12. Hidden underground pool. A family fixing up the ground floor of their historic property kept hearing hollow sounds under the living room carpet. They pried up the floorboards and found a hidden trapdoor that led to a massive underground chamber. Inside was a fully tiled swimming pool. Previous owners had completely sealed it off with a false floor, probably just to get more usable living space upstairs. The new homeowners actually restored the plumbing and worked the pool back into their modern layout. 11. 1930s Art Deco pub. A family in England bought a normal-looking brick house and decided to clear some junk out of the basement. They broke open a padlocked cellar door and walked right into the 1930s. The room was a glamorous, fully intact Art Deco pub that had been sealed shut for almost 80 years. It had a dark wooden bar, vintage leather stools, and shelves still completely stocked with untouched beer bottles and spirits from between the world wars. The family wisely decided to preserve it exactly the way they found it. 10. 18th century cherries. Researchers restoring the cellar floors at George Washington's Mount Vernon estate dug up nearly 24 intact glass bottles buried under the bricks. These dark green bottles were still full of liquid, cherry stems, and whole pits that had been preserved for over 250 years. Scientific testing showed the 18th century preservation methods kept everything completely airtight. It's a crazy physical artifact that shows exactly how the Washington family and the enslaved workers on the estate stored their food. 9. Secret smugglers' tunnels. A couple renovating a historic merchant's house on the coast of Scotland found a hidden hatch in their foundation. It led to an extensive network of underground tunnels. Historical records showed the house once belonged to a 19th century merchant who ran a massive smuggling operation. The tunnels went straight from the house to the local harbor, so he could move goods inland without dealing with customs. Finding a secret criminal tunnel network ended up rocketing the property's market value. 8. Empty antique safe. A property owner in rural Australia was pulling up old carpet in a storage closet when they found a heavy metal antique safe cemented flush into the floor. The property records didn't mention it at all. The owner hired professional safecrackers to carefully get it open without destroying the unknown locking mechanism. After all that work, the door popped open and the safe was completely empty. Someone else had already cleared it out, but the owner did get a free, highly secure floor safe out of the deal. 7. Massive dinosaur skeleton. A homeowner in Portugal noticed some huge fossilized bone fragments sticking out of the dirt during a backyard construction project. He called in researchers and accidentally kicked off an international paleontological excavation. Teams from Spain and Portugal dug through his yard and uncovered the remains of a sauropod, a massive long-necked dinosaur from 150 million years ago. The skeleton is estimated to be 39 feet tall and 82 feet long. Experts think it might be the largest sauropod ever found in Europe, and it was just sitting under a regular guy's lawn. 6. Mummified witchcraft cat. Contractors tearing out the walls of an upstairs bathroom in England found the intact mummified body of a cat hidden inside the framing. Folklore experts at Exeter University confirm this was absolutely intentional. Hundreds of years ago, superstitious homeowners in Britain would seal cats inside their walls as a good luck charm to ward off evil spirits. The current homeowner decided not to mess with centuries-old witchcraft and put the cat right back where they found it. 5. Fortune in gold coins. A British couple deciding to fix their uneven kitchen floorboards ended up finding buried treasure. They took a pickaxe to the concrete foundation and saw gold reflecting just under the surface. They dug down and found a small clay pot packed with over 260 historic gold coins. They dated from 1610 to 1727 and originally belonged to a wealthy local merchant family. The massive hoard caught international attention and eventually sold at auction in Paris for roughly £754,000. 4. Lost Caravaggio masterpiece. Residents of a house near Toulouse, France went up to their attic to fix a leak and noticed a dusty old painting shoved into the rafters. Art historians checked it out and realized it was a scene of Judith beheading Holofernes that matched the style and technique of Caravaggio. It had likely been up there for decades. After years of debate over whether it was painted by Caravaggio himself or one of his close followers, France classified it as a national treasure. Art historians checked it out and realized it was a scene of Judith beheading Holofernes that matched the style and technique of Caravaggio. Replace that sentence. 3. Hidden KGB files. During a home reconstruction project in Latvia, a family found 3 large files sealed inside a wall cavity. Archival experts confirmed these were genuine Soviet KGB intelligence records from the Cold War. A former KGB employee used to live in the house, and experts think they deliberately hid the documents behind the plaster during the collapse of the Soviet Union to keep them from going public. They were too sensitive to destroy, but too dangerous to keep out in the open. So, into the walls they went. 2. $3.5 million coin hoard. After an elderly French villager named Paul Nars died, a notary was going through his home and lifted a hanging canvas painting in a storage room. Behind it was a hidden cavity built into the masonry holding a sealed chest. Inside were over 1,000 rare gold coins, including ancient Macedonian currency from 336 BCE and coins from the reigns of French kings. Nars was a completely unassuming guy who spent his life quietly building this collection in total secrecy. The hoard ended up selling at auction for nearly $3.5 million. 1. Massive underground city. In 1963, a guy in Turkey was just trying to fix a crack in his basement wall. He knocked the wall down and uncovered a hidden room that connected to Derinkuyu, an ancient underground city dropping nearly 280 feet into the earth across 18 separate levels. It was built centuries ago as a refuge against invasions. It had fresh water wells, schools, chapels, and massive rolling stone doors to seal out intruders. At its peak, this underground city could hide up to 20,000 people and their livestock. Houses absorb the secrets of everyone who ever lived inside them. Next time you renovate, you might want to check behind the drywall a little more carefully. And for the darker side of homes, check out our next video for 25 hidden dangers in your home that could kill you tomorrow. As always, I'm Mike Estrin. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.